You can change line, fill, and text attributes easily in the TI-Nspire and TI-Nspire apps on the iPad. Here you can see I've got two shapes within the Geometry app, a circle and a triangle. I'd like to change the fill color of the triangle. So I'll touch and hold the border of the triangle until it flashes, indicating I've selected it. Now tap the Attributes icon, which looks like three sliders, just to the right of the wrench. In this case, I can see the attributes of my triangle, so I can change the line color, weight, and style, as well as choose to fill the triangle with a color. I'll tap Fill Color and choose an orange fill. Now I'll tap an empty area of the graph to close the menu and tap an empty area again to deselect the triangle. I'd also like to change the angle bisector running through the triangle, so I'll touch and hold the bisector until it starts to flash, and tap the Attributes icon again. This time I see attributes specific to a line, so I can change the color, weight, and style. I'll tap Color first, and change it to this blue. Then I'll press the Back button in the upper left corner of the menu to move back to the line attributes. Now I'll make a heavier line weight and dash the line. Just as before, I'll tap an empty area to close the panel and tap again to deselect the bisector. Let's jump over to my Notes page by tapping it in the page sorter on the left side of the screen. Here, I've got some text entered into the Q&A template. I'll touch and hold a word to select it, and then touch and drag one of the blue handles to select additional words. Now I'll tap that Attributes panel, and you can see attributes that are specific to formatting text, including font, size, style, color, and fill color. In this case, I'd like to bold the text and highlight it yellow. I'll tap the B icon in the Style area to bold it, and then tap Fill Color to see the different highlight colors. I'll choose yellow, and then tap an empty area to close the menu. I'll tap an empty text area to deselect the text and see my style and highlight changes. Using similar techniques, you can use the Attributes panel to select and modify geometry objects, graphs, text, and many other selectable objects within the TI-Nspire and TI-Nspire apps.